If you spend hours in front of a screen, whether gaming or working, you know how heavy a headset can feel after a while. This model from Logitech, the G733, tries to solve that by being extremely light, weighing only 280 grams. Before we see how it handles a full day of use, just a quick heads up. The links for this product with the best prices I could find are already down in the description, okay? When you first put it on to listen to music or play a game, the sound might feel quite neutral. It is very neutral straight out of the box, lacking that deep presence we often look for. However, once you take a moment to adjust the equalization in the software, boosting the lows and highs, the experience changes completely. For single-player games, or listening to your favorite playlist while working, the audio becomes much more engaging. In competitive games, it works, but identifying adversaries around you might require a bit more attention. If your main focus is pinpointing footsteps, models like the Corsair HS55 or the HS65 are still my favorites, as they offer much better surround spacing for multiplayer matches. But sound precision means nothing if you have to take the headset off every 30 minutes because of pain, and that is where this Logitech model changes the game. The real difference shows up when you wear glasses or have a long session. The fabric strap on top and the cloth earpads distribute the pressure perfectly. It does not squeeze your head, even with glasses frames, allowing you to stay focused for hours without needing a break. It feels like it is barely there. Since it is wireless, you will rely on the battery. If you keep the front LED lights on to match your setup, you get about 20 hours of use. If you turn the lights off, this jumps to nearly 29 hours, which easily covers 2 or 3 days of heavy use. When it is time to plug in, it takes about 3 to 4 hours to reach a full charge via the Type-C charging port. Now technically, you can use it while it charges as long as the wireless hub is connected. But honestly, I do not recommend using any device simultaneously while it is charging. For a super urgent business meeting, sure, it works and will save the day. But generally speaking, I would not suggest doing that. Speaking of communication, the microphone is detachable and very flexible. It uses Blue Voice technology, which makes a noticeable difference. Your voice sounds clear, and it is actually good enough if you want to create content for YouTube or host live streams. The noise cancellation filter does a great job of isolating your voice from background noise, saving you from needing a separate desk microphone. To make all this work, you need the G-Hub software installed. Just keep in mind that this headset does not have Bluetooth or multiple point connection. It relies entirely on a USB hub for connection. However, if you really need to use it on your phone, there is a workaround. You can use an OTG adapter to plug the receiver dongle directly into your smartphone's charging port. It is not the most elegant solution, but it works perfectly if you don't have another option. The signal is solid within 3 to 7 meters, letting you walk around your room freely. For a price ranging between $130 to $190, this is a solid choice for home office setups and casual gaming. It balances comfort and functionality very well. To wrap this up, if this review helped you decide and you want to grab one for yourself, please check out the curated links in the description below. I have updated them with the best deals available. Using these links supports the channel at no extra cost to you, ensuring I can keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next video.